Hello, my name is Teacher Justine, and I am a native speaker from South Africa. Today, we are going to look at some business expressions in English. I am here to assist you in the business world. The first expression we will look at today is call it a day. So call it a day generally means to decide to stop working for the day. I'm going to use John. John, it is 7 and I'm getting hungry. How about we call it a day? So what that means is that he's tired, he wants to go home. So instead of saying I'm going to leave for the day, he says I'm going to call it a day. So that's what call it a day means. It's a business expression that is used by fellow colleagues, bosses, managers, and so forth. The next one we are going to look at is on the same page. So when somebody refers to on the same page, it means if two people are on the same page, they are in agreement about something. So like you and I, we are in agreement about learning about English, especially in the business world. So we are on the same page. So let's go over the details of what we agreed on to make sure that we are on the same page. So it's a general phrase used to say that we are on the same page. It means that we are in agreement or understand what we agreed to. Another business expression we will look at is think outside the box. To think outside the box means to think of creative, unconventional solutions instead of common ones. So for example, if your boss tells you, "Hi, Amy, can you think outside the box?" Well, what your boss is actually saying to you is not to literally find a physical box, but he's saying to come up with ideas that hasn't been heard of before. Or he's telling you to literally make a decision that others have not made. So when he says to think outside the box, he's actually looking for an unconventional solution to a certain issue or problem. You do come along with these phrases or across these phrases in general business environments, mostly in corporate environments, and sometimes, depending on the nature of business you are going into, you come across these phrases on a daily basis. So creating a product that no one has sold before is an example of thinking outside the box. So for example, if you are looking at an energy drink or a certain holder, you need to think outside the box. So that's what your boss tells you. Can you think outside the box? He wants a different holder that's maybe pink or yellow or green. So he wants you to think outside the box. So that's general business phrases. I have over 100 expressions that I can go over with you so that you are not caught off guard when you go for an interview or a general conversation at work. So it makes you seem usual and to have a more conversational talk with your colleagues and be on the same page, like I just used this expression between us, so you know exactly what you guys are talking about and you can always implement your thoughts when you hear these phrases. Look forward to seeing you in my classes so I can help you with other business expressions, idioms, interview questions, and so forth.